Cammie from Snyder Photography, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Profoto Color Gel Starter Kit. In your starter kit, you will find a color gel wallet, where inside there is a collection of OCF pre-cut gels. And I'm going to take one and set that gel aside. You will also find this cute small bag in your starter kit, where inside there are 4 plastic rings. This ring is called the outer attachment ring, and it's a thin ring and it has 2 cutouts, one right here and one right here. Then we have the inner attachment rings. We have 2 of them, and they're thin and they also have teeth right there and right there. You have 2, but I'm only going to need 1 for this video, so I'm going to set the extra one aside. Then you have the grid and gel holder, which is the thicker ring, and this holder also has teeth right here and right here, and it has 2 cutouts, one right here and one right here. I'm going to pick up the inner attachment ring, which is the thin ring with the teeth. I'm going to use my middle finger and my thumb and just pick it up and flip it over so that the teeth are pointing downward. I also want you to notice the 2 raised bars on the ring. I'm going to take my gel, and if you notice, there are 2 cutouts, one right here and one right here. And I'm going to match the cutouts with the raised bar. So it should look like this. I'm going to take the outer attachment ring. That was the thin ring without the teeth. One side is smooth and the other side has ridges. You want to place this ring smooth side down, and you want to fit the cutouts against the raised bars. And you're going to apply a little bit of pressure and it snaps into place. Now we're ready to attach this to our grid and gel holder. So our grid and gel holder is facing sideways, where the teeth are going off to my right in this direction. Notice that we have a cutout here and a cutout here. Okay. I'm going to put the teeth right over the cutouts, and it's just going to snap into place. You have to kind of wiggle it a little bit, but it'll snap into place. Now it's ready to be attached to our light. So I'm going to attach it to the light, and it's ready to go. So that is how you assemble the color gel starter kit. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel for more informational videos for photographers. Thank you so much. Bye.